How is the sector in your state? What are the challenges and what are the hurdles you have been able to scale so far? I can see Visit Ekiti that you are wearing. We are now visiting you to ask you these questions.
Thank you, moderator. Special regards to Alhaji Musa Lidat Tata, who I served as the public relation officer when he was the president, Federation of Tourism Association of Nigeria, and my dear brother, the DG, and the Koshawa. I've listened to every one of them, but I'm not really happy with the setup. We are not talking about the problem of tourism. All what we are saying, we are just winking in the dark. And it is not good to wink in the dark when we are not talking about the fundamentals that can help tourism to grow in Nigeria. We are not talking of having a policy, we are not talking of having a development plan. That is another case. From Ekiti, I'm happy that the governor of Ekiti State, Governor Biodun Abayomi Oyebanji, understands tourism very well. And he has been able to lay down the fundamental. When he appointed me, he called me to a meeting. I said, what do I need? And I said, I need you. I need you to be the face of tourism in Ekiti. And he told me plainly that he is not going to give me any budget, any big budget, until we are able to produce the tourism policy number 1 and tourism development master plan. That without these two documents, strategic documents, the tourism cannot be sustainable. It will just be somebody now coming this year telling us to do one thing or the other. But if we have the policy and we build the tourism development master plan on it, then it will be sustainable. If we leave tomorrow, then the people will be able to know that this is where we have stopped, this is what we are doing, and this is what we're going to be doing. This is absent in Nigeria as a nation. We have not been able to put on a sustainable policy and a tourism development master plan, which any state, any country, I've been to at least, I've been to 65 countries in the world, and I've studied the tourism pattern of this country. The two things, majorly they have to do with the tourism policy and master plan, and that's what we are having in the Ekiti state. Our tourism policy will be launched in the next 2 weeks, and we are working on our tourism master plan. Because the political will is there, the governor of Ekiti State understands tourism thoroughly well and is taking it as a business. So this is the report I'm having from Ekiti State. Like I said, the fundamental of the lane, it was by the DG, Nigerian Tourism Development Authority, who took the case of a legal framework of NTDC to NTA to the 8th Assembly, 8th Senate. And I made a very good presentation because I went to Kenya, I went to South Africa, I went to Malaysia because of my thesis in law, which is about the appraisal of the legal framework for the development and sustainable tourism in Nigeria. So I presented it and we were able to come out with NTDA law. And this should have been followed by having a tourism policy and tourism development master plan. Without these two documents, Nigeria will be winking in the dark. Thank you very much.